This is the Olight Arkfeld Pro, and I've carried it in my pocket for the better half of 4 years. I've had 1 or 2 different versions, but this is by far one of the things that I take with me every time I leave the house. It's super bright, has a laser pointer, and a UV light, and even it has a strobe light for emergencies. But Arkfeld thinks they've come up with something better, and we're going to check it out. This is the ArkPro, so a little bit similar name, a little bit different, but it's the replacement for the Arkfeld Pro. And we're going to find out if this deserves to live in my pocket for the next 4 years. Let's open it. It's a very typical Olight box. It gives me Apple vibes. Nice flap to pull out. Comes nicely wrapped. Definitely giving me Apple vibes. So let's take a look here. Rethink light, reimagine style. I'd have to agree with that. So we got a couple things here. First off, the light itself. My first impression, this is blowing me away. Already out of the box, I can tell a difference between these two, and I'm really excited. This is the America 250th anniversary one, so it's wrapped in a Star-Spangled pattern. Has 250 on the back, wrapped in a flag on the front, and I'm really happy with it so far. It's definitely a little bit sturdier metal build. It has some really interesting texture on the side, so it makes it really easy to grip. Inside the box, you get the ArkPro, you get its magnetic charging cable and some paperwork and a warranty card. Nothing out of the ordinary. The light itself, though, pick it up, and it's obviously an Arkfeld. I gotta say, I'm pretty happy with it. It has some really cool texture here on the side. Makes it very easy to grip. It's not completely flat on the top. It kind of has a little bit of an angle. You compare it to the one I was carrying, and this one is completely flat. Has similar dials, but we're gonna find out what the difference is here in a second. This one has a button on the side here. One of the biggest differences that you're going to notice right away out of the box is that this one includes a USB-C port right on it, and that is a huge deal. Arkfeld gives you these magnetic connectors, which are great. The light snaps right onto it, very strong magnet. But that's the only way that I used to be able to charge this one. Now, I had 2 chargers. I had one at my desk at work, I had one on my bedside table at home. But the problem is, one time I went on vacation, and the light died. I had no way to charge it because of this. Now, what I've been carrying every day for the last 4 years does 3 jobs. It has a white light max output of 1300 lumens, and then it has about 100 meters of reach as a flood, not a spotlight. I can turn this on, and it's going to light up anything I throw at it, but it won't hit anything far away, out of field, outside, across a room. But that's not what I wanted this for. I wanted to be able to put this, see where I'm going, and that's what's been great for it. The UV light is great too. It does all the things a regular UV light can do. It can look for leaks, stains, check out whatever you want. But what's nice and how I use it is if I'm backstage, if I'm somewhere where I don't want a huge spread of light to be bouncing off everything, turn on this UV light. It allows me to see in the dark, look for obstacles, find something I'm looking for, but it doesn't spill the light everywhere. So if you're backstage, if you're somewhere where you can't really even turn your light on, that is where I found the biggest use case for this. This is just one of those things that you don't think you need until you have it, but once you have it, you're reaching for it constantly. Lastly, it has a green laser. Now, when I bought this, I did not buy it for the laser, but I've been genuinely surprised at how much I use it. If I'm in an auditorium or a gym or anywhere big, and we're trying to talk about, hey, we're going to put the camera over there, or maybe there's power over there, being able to just reach and point, it honestly comes in handy way, way more than I thought it was. The other thing that I use it for, I have cats, I visit people who have pets, instant laser pointer in your pocket. So this has 3 tools in it, very flat body, fits in one pocket, and that's why I've chosen to carry it every day. And lastly, the underrated feature of this light is the fact that it has this reversible clip. And I love that. And this new one has it too. And what's awesome about that is that if you're working somewhere, you don't have a headlamp, you need your hands free, maybe you're under the car and you just need to see where you're going, You can just slip it right on your hat. Just like that, you have a headlamp that works so well. You're already wearing a hat. This clips right onto it. But in case you're not wearing a hat, the base is magnetic. That's how it charges. But I can put this thing on the underside of a car hood, on a shelf bracket, a steel doorway, and it just lights up whatever I need it to while I have both hands. So if you're not wearing a hat, this magnetic base, chances are you can stick it somewhere that you need. So you got a pocket light, a flashlight, a laser pointer, a UV light, a headlamp, a work light, all in this. And that's why I quit shopping around, because this does everything I need. Now, like I said, this is my third Arkfeld in 4 years. I started out with their very base model, which didn't have as bright of lumens, didn't have the UV light. Then I stepped up to a Black Pro for the brighter output and the UV. That one, unfortunately, the reversible clip got caught in my seatbelt. I stood out of the car and it ripped the clip off. But I didn't even throw it away. Even though it didn't have a clip, it's in my junk drawer. Because of the magnetic clip, if I'm ever working, if I need a second light, if I'm working around the house, I grab it and it's wonderful. And it keeps its charge very, very long. So even though it's been sitting in my junk drawer for 6 months, I can still know that if I need a light, I go over there and grab it. Now, a lot of people tell me, I've got a phone. It has a flashlight. Why do I want to carry something else in my pocket? Everyone has a phone. I know. Apple even added beam control in a recent update, where you can widen or narrow, which is really cool. But this, compared to a phone, no comparison. So why do I carry this dedicated flashlight? Because a real flashlight is brighter, faster, and more versatile. It's not even close to a phone. By the time you've woken your phone, swiped to the flashlight or pushed the button and aimed it, it's one motion now. Pull it out of my pocket, turn it on. If I'm trying to work on something while I'm in the dark, if I'm in a crawl space, if I'm in an attic, and I got this on, and I'm also trying to look up a video or trying to find instructions, I don't have to navigate anything. Stick it to a stud, put it on my hat, and then I still have my phone freed up to do what I need it to do. The turbo mode on this, 1300 lumens, is great. There's something that's not talked about too much. There's a moonlight mode on this. This is 1 lumen. It's so soft you can barely even see it. There's barely a glow. It's under a single lumen. And this is awesome. It is just enough. In the dark, this moonlight mode, my wipe, very sensitive to light. So if I'm looking for something, it might be dark in the room, dark in the house, having this moonlight mode, it is wonderful because it gives you just enough light to see where you're going, but it's not blinding you with 1300 lumens. Now this has moonlight mode, then a low, a medium, and a turbo. But 9 times out of 10, you just click it on, it remembers its last setting. The medium or high is usually enough for me, but if I need a little bit more, just double click it and get that turbo mode, 1300 lumens straight to the face, and it's wonderful. So that's one more thing that's so versatile about this. It has such a wide range. Other flashlights, you turn them on, bam, that's the light you get. This, you have 4 different light modes and a UV light and a laser pointer. Now there are some frustrations that I've had with this. You have this magnetic charger, and this works great right on there, but there's no port on it. If you lose this, or maybe you forget it on a trip, or you're just not anywhere near it because you only get the one, there's no other way to charge it. But on the ArkPro, they finally added a port, USB-C port. Same magnetic base, same charger. There's a USB-C port now that allows you to plug it in and charge it. So this ArkPro has 4 real changes. Just talked about one. It has this USB-C port on the side, which is actually a flap. It's not like a flimsy plastic thing you got to pull out. It comes, it sticks, snaps back down. I'm very, very happy. My first impression of this light is wonderful. This fixes so much about the charging issue. Now, the second thing is that this Pro has a dual beam flashlight. Just like my old one, turn it on, get light. Double click, turbo. This goes from 1300 being turbo to 1500, and so it's a little bit brighter. Not enough that you're really going to notice, especially if you're getting blasted in the face. But it also has a spotlight. Wash, spotlight. So now you have your regular wash, just like my other one, but you also have a spotlight. This one, the ArkPro, also has a bigger battery than any of the other Arkfeld series. This has a 2000 milliamp hours up from 1500. So with the brighter turbo mode, you don't necessarily pay for it in runtime. And then adding the USB-C port, but this still lets me stick it anywhere. So still have the old charging, so all my old chargers work, but I can plug it in same way as my phone, and I'm so glad they did this. You still got a UV light that works great. And then this time there is a laser pointer button on the side. This button right here, you press it, same exact laser, but now you got spot, you got wash, you got UV, and you got laser. So that brings to 4 different things that this light can do, and it just lives in my pocket. Not to mention this clip, way, way stronger. One of the big reasons that I got this is because if you look at the clip on this one, there's so much play in it, and it rattles, and just a lot of use. This side is also extremely worn out from rubbing on my pocket knife. But this one, there is 0 play in the clip. I can tell that it's just going to slide right into my pocket, and it's going to stay there. Sometimes when I'm driving or if I'm sitting and I hit a bump, it'll fall out. So I'm very excited to switch this to my pocket. Having a dedicated button for the laser is wonderful. Very, very, very excited. Oh, you can use the laser on this one while you're in spot or wash or UV. That's pretty nifty. Now, this isn't the only light that does similar things like this. If you're familiar with EDC flashlights, you already know what's coming, the Streamlight Wedge. And look, the Wedge is a great light, but it's a completely different mindset, completely different philosophy. The Wedge is a purist. It is one beam, and it's done really well. And then it has a 1,000 lumen burst when you push the bar forward. It has USB-C charging. It's built like a tank. It's made in the USA, lifetime warranty. If you want a reliable flashlight that you can press a button, turn on, the Wedge, probably fine for you. But here's the thing. With a Wedge, you got no UV, no laser, no magnetic base. It has a single clip, not a reverse clip, so you lose the headlamp functionality. Everything I just spent 5 minutes telling you I love about this thing, the Wedge doesn't do any of it. And that's not a knock. It's a choice. The Wedge is a standard pocket knife, while this thing is like a Swiss Army knife. Now, I'm sure there's other EDC flashlights out there that might be a little bit brighter, might have a little bit bigger battery, but for most people, it's between this ArkPro and the Wedge. And for me, I want the multi-tool, and that's why I'm here. And that's why this is going to be living in my pocket for the next 4 years. There's a lot of different other models that Olight makes. This Arkfeld model has some bigger brothers and littler sisters. There's some batons. There's just a lot of different options that you can get if you get into the Olight ecosystem. And a majority of them use this same magnetic charging, which is awesome. So I've carried this one for years, but I'm going to be switching to this one now. The USB-C by itself almost seals the deal. The fact that you get a dual beam flashlight on here, a wash and a spot, it's wonderful. I wouldn't say that it's a mandatory upgrade if you already own one of these. The Pro is still fantastic, and this is still going to live in my house, and I'm still going to use it. But this is going to be my new everyday carry. Now, if you've never carried one of these, just skip the debate, get the Arkfeld Pro. It's a game changer. There's a link to the whole lineup below, and their pricing fluctuates a little bit, but they're pretty consistent. But for Prime Day, stuff like that, you might get a deal. I highly recommend this ArkPro from Olight. This build quality, the style, the texture, the grip, the USB-C, the beam, the wash, laser pointer, everything, the clip. Oh my goodness, this is just one of my favorite things to carry in my pocket, and I'm not going to be switching anytime soon. So thanks for watching. Go grab yourself one. See you later.